Now we are going to displace 75 inch. This is the model number. This is the model number. X95H, size 75 inch. Specification: this is Android TV. The processor X1 Ultimate. Full array LED, give you more brightness, more contrast, more color. White angel, yani you can see from right and left side same brightness, same contrast and same picture quality. And this is also plus support Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. And there is hands-free voice search. Okay, and multi audio, not Dolby audio. This is support Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. What is Dolby Atmos? Dolby Atmos give you surround sound from right, left, up and down. And Dolby Vision give you color more than 4K. If the black color give you black, white. And the frame for this TV, steel, not like before plastic. This is stainless steel. And not a black color. And from port HDMI, four HDMI, 2 USB, okay, and one HDMI EARC plus ARC, audio return channel and enhanced audio return channel support, optical AUX port. And accessories inside. This is 2 legs, remote, longer one, not like before short. Okay. Power cables, just, and this is accessories for us. This is our Hisham, Mr. Hisham.
How are you? Hi.
Our professional salesman in our TV section.
Thank you so much, Mr. Farhan. Okay.
Welcome.